Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started on something called mole on your Mac. You might be wondering if it's safe or something you should remove. Today we'll explain what it is, why it shows up, and how Clean My Mac can help you clean, protect, and speed up your system. Let's get into it. Let's start by going to the Mole project on GitHub. If you scroll down the page, you'll find all the installation links listed at the bottom. There are a few ways to install Mole. One option is using HOMEBREW. HOMEBREW is a very powerful and convenient tool that brings many Linux and PowerShell style utilities to the Mac OS terminal. It's clean, fast, and widely used by developers. For this video, however, we are going to focus on using Mole itself to clean up your system, rather than exploring HOMEBREW in depth. Once you choose your installation method, either via HOMEBREW or by using the provided install script, simply paste the command into the terminal and run it. When the installation is complete, restart your terminal to make sure everything loads correctly. And now, Mole is ready to use. Now, in the terminal, type either mole or mo. You'll be presented with several options. Let's start with option 5 to check the overall health of the system. As you can see, the disk is running out of space, but macOS doesn't tell us which files are responsible. This is where mole becomes useful. Press Escape to exit the status screen. Then type mo or mole again and select Analyze. Here we can immediately see that the home folder is taking up a large amount of disk space. Let's explore what's inside. You can also press T to show the top 4 items consuming space. Now we clearly see the files that are responsible for most of the disk usage. Using the arrow keys, I can move between files. Press the spacebar to select them. Once selected, press the Delete key. These files are safely moved to the trash. After emptying the trash, the disk space is immediately reclaimed. Simple, clear, and very effective. Now, let's look at the Optimize option. Optimize helps clean up your system safely, without touching your personal files. It focuses on things like temporary files, system caches, logs, and other data that macOS no longer needs. Over time, these files build up silently and take disk space, even though they provide no real benefit anymore. Optimize does not delete your documents, photos, or applications. Instead, it removes clutter that slows the system down and wastes storage. Think of it as routine maintenance for macOS. The result is a cleaner system, more available disk space, and smoother performance, all without risk. Now, this is one of my favorite features. Option 2, Uninstall. Sometimes, you simply want to remove applications you no longer need, not only to free up disk space, but also to reduce your attack surface. Unused software can quietly take space, run background components, and introduce unnecessary risk. With Mole, uninstalling applications is simple and fast. In this example, I'm removing Google Chrome. If I ever need it again, I can easily download it later. You can select multiple applications and uninstall them in one action, which makes cleanup very efficient. Keep in mind, these applications are removed immediately. They are not moved to the trash, so always double-check your selection before confirming. Clean, deliberate, and very effective. In Mole, the clean function is where the real housekeeping happens. It removes unnecessary files on your Mac, things like old caches, temporary data, and leftovers from applications you no longer use. It's designed to quickly free up disk space and keep your system tidy and efficient. And on that note, merci infiniment d'avoir regardé. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. À bientôt!